everyone out there? Welcome back to the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my incredible team here at Solar Wolf Energy. And today we're talking about rockets. We're not talking about Jeff Bezos or Musk. We're talking about Rocket Mortgage. Rocket Mortgage came out, I think, 3 days ago and pretty much shocked the solar world in saying that we're going to have several products available very soon would allow existing homeowners to then put solar panels on their home. This is not a cash out refinance option. This is a loan that if you already have a mortgage in place, you can reach out to Mortgage if you've got your mortgage from them already, and if not, also you can reach out to them and they'll finance putting solar panels on your home. This is going to be pretty exciting because from what we're seeing, and we've got a call into them already, is what we're looking at here is a product where you won't have the dealer fees. And for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, please allow me to fill you in. These loans that people are taking, if you meet with a solar company, solar installation company, solar sales company, it doesn't matter the metric, but the point here is you meet with these companies, these are unsecured loans, so it's high risk to the underwriter, the people actually cutting the checks and whatnot and paying for this, right? So what we're looking at here is potentially something that will remove either all or substantially most of the dealer fees, which will lower the cost for the homeowner, the end users, the business owner, the guys like you. That's what's fantastic about this. The bad side of this, well, I suppose the good side of this for the end user as well, is also the existing solar finance companies are now going to feel an immense squeeze, right? So we're taught something in school, which is competition is good, right? It's good for the consumer. It's never good for the entrepreneur, the marketer, the business owner, right? Because it forces you to either have to cut your prices, or some of us, myself included, I like the competition because it forces me to outmaneuver, out-innovate, out-strategize my competitors. And it's how companies like small solar companies can dwarf into big ones with all the competition that is out there. So I think this is going to bring the best for the end user, and more importantly, it's going to put more panels on more homes. I'm a huge fan of what's about to come out of this. I'm really looking forward to it. Drop a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this. Let me know either way, good or bad. We love to hear them all. And if you like what we're doing here, if you have any comments, you have any suggestions, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button below, and drop us a like. Follow us on Facebook, any of these things, and we look forward to hearing from you guys. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by this amazing team. Thanks so much.